Hello everyone, welcome to Health Shelter. 10 powerful foods for detoxification and natural cleansing of the kidneys. Detoxification and natural cleansing of the kidneys involve incorporating foods that support kidney health and have diuretic properties. Here are some foods that are considered beneficial for detoxifying and naturally cleansing the kidneys. Number 1. Water. Staying well hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Water helps flush toxins and waste products from the kidneys. Number 2. Cucumber. Cucumbers are high in water content and contain compounds that may help flush toxins from the body. Number 3. Watermelon. Watermelon is hydrating and contains natural compounds like citrulline that may support kidney function. Number 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and can contribute to overall kidney health. Number 5. Lemon. Lemons are a good source of citric acid, which may help prevent kidney stones. Adding lemon to water can also enhance hydration. Number 6. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys. Number 7. Parsley. Parsley is a natural diuretic that may help increase urine production and support kidney function. Number 8. Beets. Beets contain betaine, which may help prevent the buildup of certain substances that can harm the kidneys. Number 9. Celery. Celery is a natural diuretic that can help increase urine production and promote kidney health. Number 10. Turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect the kidneys from damage. Number 11. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that may benefit the kidneys. Number 12. Cranberries. Cranberries may help prevent urinary tract infections and support overall kidney health. Number 13. Apples. Apples contain fiber and antioxidants that may contribute to kidney health. Number 14. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may be beneficial for kidney health. Number 15. Cabbage. Cabbage is rich in phytochemicals that may have protective effects on the kidneys. It's essential to note that while these foods can be part of a kidney-friendly diet, it's crucial to maintain an overall balanced and healthy diet. Limit sodium intake, and avoid excessive consumption of processed foods. Additionally, individual dietary needs may vary, so it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice, especially if you have existing kidney conditions. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos.